So today we are going to talking about more important topic in Salesforce, that is adding a logo to a Salesforce application. Because let's be honest, default icons looks boring, right? So this is my org application. In here I have a sales management. In here you can see I added already one logo like sales management. It's looking good and it's look like professional. If we add our company logo, it will looks good and more professional. For example, I will open my another application. So in here, you can see by default, we have a one Salesforce icon. It's looking boring. So when we add our company logo or nice icon, the app looks more professional. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, what are we doing here? We just changing the app logo or icon that appear in app launcher or navigation bar. That's it. Just UI improvement, but it makes a big difference. So then how we can add a logo to our application? So I need to add logo for this current application. So I have one application like yours home. So currently by default it will show the Salesforce icon, but I need to add our own or our company icon for this. So how we can add? The step one is go to setup. Click on gear icon, go to setup. In quick find box or in top navigation bar, you need to search App Manager. So open App Manager. So in here, you can see the list of application present in your org. So currently you can see application name, developer name, description, last modified date, application type and availability in Lightning Experience. So currently I have so many applications, up to 40 applications I have. So in here, you need to select which application you need to add a logo. So currently I will select like yours home. You can see the 14th one is yours home, our application name. In the right side, you can see there is a one drop down. You just click on the drop down. You can see three options: edit, delete, clone. If you click on delete, the application is removed from your org. So you need to click on edit. So it will navigate to Lightning App Builder. In the top right side, we have options like app details and branding, app options, utility, navigation items, user profile. So first we need to select app details. So in this app details, we have some basic things like app name, developer name, what is the description of app means, what is the purpose of this app, like that. We have some options. So in here, we have a branding. Below we have a image. So in here, we need to upload the actual logo of our company or our brand. So currently, I will click on upload. So I select one logo. So that is related to this application. How, for example, our application name is yours home. So based on that name only, we have a one logo like your homes, like that. Once you upload your logo, you just need to click on save. So now the logo was uploaded and saved. So then how to check it's visible or not? You just navigate back, go back, home page, just try to refresh hard. So now once you refresh, you can see the logo is appeared in your home page. So that logo is we uploaded before, right? So then we need to check it's present in app launcher. So just click on app launcher, type your application name. Now in app launcher also that logo is appeared. So now looks much better, right? So this is how we can upload logo for our applications in Salesforce org. So some important things we need to remember, that is use square images for best fix. Keep it simple and clear. Don't use too detailed logos. PNG format works best. In real-time example, for example, we are building any application in Salesforce for our company. Instead of random icons, put your company logo. It feels more professional and branded. So yeah, this is how we can add logo for our Salesforce application. It's a very simple, but it gives you a nice professional look. So I hope you understand these things, and more Salesforce tutorial. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.